Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the adapter type and port on your device so the physical fit is immediate. Once done, inspect the Ethernet cable for intact ends and confirm the network expects a wired connection. Plug the adapter into your laptop or desktop firmly. You should feel a click or solid connection. Make sure power settings won't disable external ports. If your device has multiple USB versions, pick the faster port to get the best throughput and lower latency. Once the adapter is physically connected, you open your system network settings to activate the wired interface. On most systems, DHCP assigns an address automatically. If your network uses a static IP, enter it with the correct gateway and DNS. Make sure link lights on the adapter or switch indicate activity, green for good, amber for negotiation. Next, run a simple ping to the router or a quick speed test to ensure you have the expected bandwidth and low packet loss. You finish by installing manufacturer drivers when the adapter is unrecognized, because drivers often restore full functionality. After installation, reconnect and confirm the link again. Reboot both the computer and network switch or router if issues persist. If speeds are lower than expected, make sure the cable and ports support the rated speed and that duplex settings match. Troubleshooting tip: if no link appears, swap the cable or port to isolate a bad cable or faulty adapter quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.